Is this an iPhone or a perfume? Hello everybody, thanks so much for tuning into my channel today. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're one of my amazing returning subscribers, welcome back. For those of you who are new, I make fragrance and beauty videos, so if you guys are into that kind of thing, don't be afraid to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the gang. As you guys saw in the title of this video, I'm going to be reviewing KKW's Hot Pink fragrance. So if you guys want to see this fragrance review, go ahead and stay tuned. So like I mentioned earlier, this is the KKW Hot Pink, and she has a few of these. They're like lips in different colors though. This is the Kylie one though. And honestly, when I first opened this box, I was kind of confused because I was just like, really? Like, the box and the packaging is reminiscent of an iPhone. Like, as soon as I opened up the box, I was just like, is this an iPhone or a perfume? Like, I'm confused. Like, not really, but like the packaging, it's just a plain white box on the front. The actual name of the fragrance, Kylie Jenner by KKW Fragrance, is on the actual side of the box, but it's just like a glossy finish. So looking like at first glance, you can't really even see the words are there. So this is what that looks like. And similar to an iPhone box or any Apple product box, there's just a picture of these huge pink lips, and it's shiny and raised on the top as well, and the rest of the box is matte. So this is what it looks like. And this is crazy because I'm still just tripping because it's actually about the same size of an iPhone box. Like, that's the part that's killing me as well. I'm like, how in the world? And this is only a 1 ounce. Like, this isn't even a 1.7 ounce bottle. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open up the box so I can show you guys what the actual bottle looks like. So it slides out in this little plastic thing. Oh, and I can smell it already. Now, I will tell you guys, it is really tricky getting it out of this little plastic thing. Like, it was a nightmare the first time I opened this. But now it opens up a little bit easier. And this is what the bottle looks like. So this is what the bottle looks like. It really looks almost exactly like it does in the picture, just a little bit smaller. And honestly, my first impressions when I smelled this, it's a really nice fragrance. It has that floralness to it, but it also smells a little bit coconutty as well. And also, I just wanted to say, like, the heaviest part of the bottle is actually the lid. The actual part where the perfume is, it really doesn't weigh that much. It's really light. This thing is as heavy as a brick, really. But let me go ahead and spray it on myself. Okay. This is a really, really nice, like, when I first spray it, I'm getting fruitiness, but also the coconuttiness of it as well. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the notes of this fragrance. So for this fragrance, the top notes are mandarin, Italian bergamot, and for the middle notes, there is solar gardenia, coconut water, and exotic tiare. And for the base notes, there's creamy coconut, pink musk, sandalwood, and liquid amber. So when you spray it, when you first spray it, you definitely get the coconuttiness along with the fruitiness, I guess, that's coming from the mandarin. And it is a really, really nice fragrance. I really, really like this. It's definitely more of a summery fragrance, and honestly, it smells like Cantu Shea Butter's hair products. If you're a natural hair person out there, or a curly hair person, you know what I'm talking about, and you probably used these products before. So imagine that, the signature Cantu Shea Butter smell, just in a perfume, with a couple hints of extra things in there, which you really can't quite pinpoint. So I have my Cantu here, and I'm just literally gonna compare the two smells. Like literally when I first sprayed this perfume, it's giving me Cantu Shea Butter, which isn't a bad thing because I really like the smell of Cantu products. I know some people don't like them, but I really like it. It just has more of a coconuttiness, and once it starts to dry down, you really smell the sandalwood as well, along with the musk, the pink musk. So this is really a nice fragrance. Now this perfume was a blind buy. I really had no intentions on buying it, but I saw it and I was just like, I might as well try it. And I also bought another perfume that I'll be making a video on later for you guys. And it was crazy because as soon as I bought these two perfumes, one of you guys alerted me that Ariana Grande had dropped a new perfume. So I went back to the Ulta website, and I literally don't even know how I didn't see this because I was just on Ulta, and I had been on Ulta for like hours, but I saw REM, so I went ahead and ordered it. So that is on the way, and I will be doing a review for you guys, so just keep an eye out for that. But honestly, like, this is a nice fragrance, and I'm happy that I bought it. I'm sorry I went off on that little tangent, but this is really nice. If you're somebody who really likes coconutty scents, I definitely recommend this. It's not, because I've smelled some coconutty fragrances that just smell just nasty and cheap. This one is really nice. Like, I wouldn't think that this was a KKW fragrance. I don't know, because people really down celebrity fragrances, but this just smells like a nice beachy, summery fragrance, and I really like it. I think that in the future I am gonna experiment and just get the entire line and see what they all smell like. I just went for the pink one because I love fruity, sweet fragrances, so I just assumed that the pink one would be really fruity and bright and kind of what I like. So this is just the one that I gravitated towards, but there are other ones and a nice range to choose from. So I'll also have the link to this one posted in the description box. So that was it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.